Hello everyone, welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. Today we will discuss some other output devices of computer system like speaker. A speaker is an output device which is used to play sounds from the computer. It is used to convert the audio sounds in a digital form and play with the computer. A speaker is used to produce output in the form of sound. The another output device is known as plotter. Plotter is just like a printer which will display the output in a hard copy, but it is used to produce output like flags and banner. It is a large enough printer which is used to display the output with the help of vector graphic printing. There are two different types of plotters. The first is flatbed plotter and the another one is drum plotter. The flatbed plotter is used to project the output in a flat bed which is large enough in a size. Basically it is used for advertisement where we can print a large size banner and flags. The another type of plotter is known as drum plotter. Here a drum is used to plot the paper on a roller, and this roller moves to print the content on the plotted surface. So there are two different types of plotters we can use to produce the flags and banner as output. The another device which we are using in a computer system, and it is very important to run a computer properly, is known as CPU. CPU is also known as the brain of computer, and it is a central part of any computer system. Without the use of CPU, computer won't work. The CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It means it is a mediator between input and output. A computer does not perform without the help of CPU. The another major component of a computer system is known as storage devices. It is different from memory because the memory is always recognized with the primary memory. But another type of memory which is used to store large amount of data is known as a storage device. A computer uses different secondary storage to store large amount of data for future reference. Here we are going to discuss some different types of storage devices like hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD, Blu-ray disc, memory sticks, etc. The hard disk drive and HDD is used to store a large amount of data in a computer system which will refer in future. The hard disk device is used to contain different platters which contain tracks, and these tracks are used to store the data in a memory. It is also known as Winchester disk. These platters are stored in a cylinder and rotate with the help of read-write head. There are some features of hard disk drive like it is coated with magnetic material, it is inflexible, it stores large capacity of memory like 1 TB. The disk rotates very high speed, actually almost 5400 to 15000 rotation per minute, and it can be reused. The another category of memory is known as CD-ROM. Here CD stands for compact disc and ROM stands for read-only memory. It means it is a write protected. But nowadays the CD is available in CDR and CDRW. The CDR stands for recordable and the RW stands for rewritable. It is available in different diameters like 120 diameter and etc. It is especially used to store text data and multimedia formats. But here it can be used to store 650 MB to 900 MB only. Apart from the CD, we can use DVD. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc. According to the name, it is a digital media which is used to store different types of multimedia format like text, image, audio, video and graphics. It is also available in two different versions, DVD-R and DVD-RW. Here DVD-R is used to record and RW is used to rewrite it. But it can store 4.7 GB to 17 GB of data. It is efficient than other CDs. In this category, there are a special type of disc we can use, whose name is Blu-ray disc. All these CDs and DVDs work on optical technology. It means it uses light technology, laser light technology. But here the Blu-ray disc is dedicated to use only blue light. That's why its name is Blu-ray disc. It has different features like it has a large capacity, maximum picture resolution, uncompressed surround sound, backward compatibility and disk robustness, which makes it efficient than other digital media. The another types of secondary storage is known as flash drive. It is a portable flash drive like our pen drive etc., which we can insert in our computer system to store large amount of data in a small space. The pen drive is known as the flash drive. The another category of storage media is known as memory sticks. Nowadays, these memory sticks are used in digital cameras and mobile phones to store large amount of data in our mobile and other digital media. It is available in three different categories: the Memory Stick Pro, Memory Stick Duo and the Magic Gate. All these versions are used to store different types of data and the large amount of data in a digital form, which can be portable and lasting very long. So thank you very much.